Hello everyone, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix the high ping in our Windows 10 or Windows 11 devices. So for that, let us open first our run window, and we can do that by simply pressing here in our Windows icon, simply pressing here in our keyboard Windows R key altogether, and you will see here the run window coming up. Here we need to type regedit, and then once done typing, just please click on enter or okay, and then to proceed, just please click yes. So once you do that, you will see here the registry editor window. So let me just minimize this one, and the next thing we need to do is to go to HKey local machine. Once you click on this arrow here, it will now expand. So let us go to software, this one, and then we will look for multimedia. So let us just scroll down a little bit. Let me just minimize everything, and multimedia. I'm sorry, it's Microsoft. So it's not multimedia, it's Microsoft. So please click on this Microsoft button here. Arrow before Microsoft, and then scroll down again a little bit. We will go to W section. We will look for Windows NT. This one, Windows NT. Now once found, please make again a click on this arrow, and then you will see here the current version. So please click again this arrow, and this time we will now be looking for multimedia. Okay, so this is the time that we will be looking multimedia. Now please click this arrow again, and you will see the system profile, and in here in the right section you will see the network throttling index. All you need to do is just make a right click on that, and then click on this modify button here. And for the value data, if you have here A, all you need to do is just to type F 8 times. So we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once done, you can now click on OK, and then close this window. Okay, so once you're done, again we will open the run window. So in your keyboard, again press Windows R key all together, and here we need to type ncpa.cpl. so this is not a case sensitive window, so just leave it be. ncpa.cpl. Now please click on OK or enter. Once you do that, you will open the network connections window. So here, if you see a green mark, then that means that is the network connection that you're connected with. So I am connected with a public Wi-Fi. That's why this has a green icon. Now please make a right click on that, and then you will see here the properties option at the very bottom part. So please click on that again, and then the Wi-Fi properties window will be coming up. Here we need to go to Internet Protocol version 4, and if you see this properties button, please click on that. And for the preferred DNS server, all we need to do is just to type either 8.8.8.8, and for the alternate DNS server, 8.8.4.4, or you can also have 1.1.1.1 instead of 8, and 1.0.0.1. Okay, so here 1.1.1.1, and for the alternate we have 1.0.0.1. Now once done, you can now click on OK, and then close this window here. Okay, so let me just close everything. Next thing we need to do is to go to our device manager. Here in our Windows icon, please make a right click, and you will see the device manager option. So please click on that. Once the device manager window is up, all you need to do is just to go to network adapters. So let me just look for network adapters. Now please click this arrow here, and we will look for the wireless. So I am connected with a Wi-Fi, so I will be clicking this wireless option here. And now once you have found your network driver, just please make a right click on that, and then click on the properties button here, and you will see this window coming up. So please click on advanced button, and if you found here 802.11, any option that says 802.11, please click on this value, and then please make sure that this is 802.11 AC or AX. Okay, so once done, you can now move on with the channel width. If you have an option that is this one, so I have here 2.4 gigahertz channel bandwidth. All you need to do is just set this to auto, and if this is not set to auto, just please click this drop down button here to choose the auto option and click on auto. As well as for the 5 gigahertz channel bandwidth, set this also to auto. Now if you have here in the under property fat channel intolerant option, please click on that, and then for the value section, please enable it. Again, if you have here fat channel intolerant option in the value section, please enable it. And if you have preferred band, also enable it also. Okay? And for the roaming aggressiveness, so for the preferred band, please either choose 5 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz. So if you have this option, please click on this option, 5 gigahertz. Now for the roaming aggressiveness, all you need to do is just click this drop down button here, and you have to bear in mind that the lowest the value here, the stronger the internet connection. So I have set here lowest for the value, and once you're done with this section or option, all you need to do is just click on OK. Once you do that, you can now close this window and then just make a quick restart with your device, and then you're good to go. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.